Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I will be showing you how to disable direct message on Instagram. First, open Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your profile if you haven't. Go to your profile. Tap on the three lines icon, which is located at the top right corner. From the pop-up menu, select Settings. Tap on Notifications, which is just below Follow and Invite Friends. Then, tap on Messages and Calls. Now, turn off the message requests. Also, turn off the messages. And you will successfully disable direct messages on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful, and you're able to disable direct messages on Instagram. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.